Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another unboxing and a what's in my bag. So I received this bag to review from Bobble Bags. This is my second bag from Bobble Bags. Let's put it here. Always comes wrapped very nicely. I already opened this up and looked at it. But this is a cutie. I've always wanted this bag. This is the bag, and the inside has this cotton interior, has a strap. Of course, I will take it out. It has a zip pocket. So let me take everything off and I'll be right back. Okay, so inside the box is this nice dust bag. It has the ribbon pull here. It has a ribbon just in case you wanted to give it as a gift, and the ribbon is really nice. Has a little booklet here. And the tissue paper actually has that on it. Nice. Okay. And the box is a flap box. Flap closure. Magnetic closure. Okay, y'all. So I have this little heart-shaped puff ball with this G that I got from the beauty supply house. And this is the front of the bag. Side, bottom. Bag has no smell. I smell leather, so this trim is leather, and this part of the bag, the body of the bag, is coated canvas, I believe. The turn lock here on the strap, it swivels, which is nice. I really like that. And I like how the bag opens. It zips like that, both sides, and the zipper goes all the way down on the side so you can fit more items in easily. So this is a very nice bag. I really like this bag. Okay, so this is an overview of what's inside. Oh, this is the other side with my little sequins. Okay, so first I have this little coin pouch that I got from Amazon. And it has a few dollar bills in it and some coins. And this side only has a little candy, some Skittles, Snickers, and a Werther's. I have this wallet that I got from eBay. It's double zip. I just have cards and cash. And then on this side, I have some coins in there and some cash. And this little pouch, cosmetic bag, I got this from Amazon. And inside, I have Frozen Lake, and this is a PocketBac sanitizer, of course, from Bath and Body Works. Have this little pill container that I got from Walgreens a while back. I have this mascara, volumizing mascara by Beauty Intuition. I have this Hello Kitty ink pen. My MAC Studio Fix Tech makeup. Viva La Juicy Petals Please perfume. I love this. Petals Please. It smells really good. Have this little strawberry lip gloss. And I got this from the 40% off sale at Bath and Body Works. It's just some lip plumper. MAC lipstick. Mirror that I got from Dollar Tree. It says doing my best. Lysol to-go spray, disinfectant spray. Pen I got from Temu. And this is Bahamas Passion and Banana Flower. And this is Shea Butter Hand Cream, Bath and Body Works. Should have had my glasses on, y'all. And this is the Sally Hansen Cuticle Massage Cream. And I have another, this is Gucci perfume. And this is the Gucci Guilty. And I have this MAC lip liner. Inside of this bag is another zipper bag here, which is really, really helpful and useful, but I don't have anything in this side. And this side has 2 slit pockets, and I do have something in here, which is a panty liner, a rainbow panna on the go wipe, wet one, shout wipe to go, Perel wipe, and an alcohol swab. I really could have put some more things in this little bag, but I decided I didn't want the bag to be too heavy. And I have this little Kleenex pack. This is Autism Awareness Month. And I have this little pack in there as well. Okay, you guys, this is the setup. Thanks to Bobbler Bag for sending me this beautiful bag to review. I love it. I appreciate the collab. This is the GG top handle Ophidia bag. I will leave everything in the description, but to get a discount, the code is AX9942. Thanks for watching, you guys. Have a good one.